Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another haul of some stickers and other planner goodies. The first part of this haul comes from Scribble Prints Co. I ordered one kit, a few scripts, and a vinyl from them. This is the journaling card that came with my order. I know this is something that Andrea put together for Black Lives Matter, as well as this little freebie for Juneteenth and to mark Black Lives Matter. This is another little freebie that came with my order. Super cute. I also got this freebie by Kirsten. The full box says Dream Hard, Work Harder. It also comes with some other scripts and another overlay in gold. I also purchased this vinyl, which is a collab with Once More With Love as a Pride fundraiser. I also purchased some school related scripts in rose gold, silver, and gold. These are some generic back to school scripts, which I'll use once school starts in the fall. I also purchased the With My Love script in gold, silver, and rose gold to mark things I do with my husband, maybe spending time together, watching movies, or having dinner. I also purchased some full box overlays. I think this is the confetti style in gold, silver, and rose gold. I also got another back to school sampler in gold, silver, and rose gold. Things like back to school shopping, schoolwork, field day, assemblies, field trips, first day of school, last day of school, meet the teacher, all things like that. Again, to use once school restarts in the fall. I also got a bunch of her full box day extenders. Each sheet has 3 extenders on it. I got 10 of those. Just on days when I want to extend my spread and put the full box for the day on top of it. I also purchased this kit called Hello Class. Andrea recently put out a set of new releases that were very much back to school themed, which I appreciate being a teacher. This was the freebie that came with the kit. It's an extra full box that is customizable, which is awesome. I'll have to do the math and figure out what class my kiddos next year are going to be. She marketed this kit as being able to be used if you're going back to school in person or virtually. I really like that goldfish, and the scene is great. Reminds me a lot of my classroom. The kit is also geared toward being able to use for kids going back to school, or maybe if you're a mom and your kids are going back to school. I am a teacher, so I'll be using it for that. This kit features the new and improved little things, which I very much appreciate. They're much more versatile this way. And this last page comes with the 2 strips of washi, extra full box, and date covers. I also purchased the glitter headers. My next order came from Sticker Bloom. They were having a sale. Buy one, get 2 free, something like that, a while ago. This order did take a while to get to me. I didn't worry about it too much, seeing as there are a lot of delays with the mail system with COVID and everything, so I didn't worry too much about it, but I did place this order mid-May, or at the beginning of May, I believe. So this is a pretty thick stack. This is, I think, 4 kits. I haven't purchased kits very much recently. So I wanted to stock up on some for stay at home and the change in the environment. This top little piece was a freebie that came with my order. This sort of almost purple toned pink piece with the 2 bow boxes and some icons. This was the sampler that came with the kit. It has bow headers and icons in gold. That sampler goes with this kit. This kit is called Refresh. It is the kit that I'm using for this week that this haul comes out. I'm using this kit for the week that this haul comes out, if that makes sense. These are the extra full boxes. This kit has 9 full boxes, a double box scene, some flat lays. I am using this kit this week to remind myself to do some self-care during the week. This has some bow checklists, quarter boxes, habit trackers, lots of scripts, weekend banner, flags. This next page has some full box bow checklists, some with decoration on them. This third page is a bunch of functionals, labels, full boxes, or half boxes, excuse me. The next page is headers and little things, and the final page is washi strips, double bottom washi, and date covers. And I did get this foiled in gold, so I will be using gold scripts this week. I do also very much like that these kits have a this week header built in. I always look for a this week and next week header in kits. I like to use them in my sidebar, so I was happy to see that the Sticker Bloom kits already include a this week header in the kits. This is the add-on for the next kit that I'll be showing you. It is blue. I got it in silver foil, the icons and the bow headers. This kit, I believe, is called Board at Home. It has the double box scene. I'm not really sure what that top corner box is supposed to be. Is that girl wearing a pillow as a dress? I'm kind of confused. There's a functional page, the bow checklist page, it's the functional items, the headers and little things, And last but not least, the bottom washi. This is just a single strip bottom washi. The date covers, that This Week header, and the extra washi strips. The next kit is a work from home kit. I've seen this art used by a lot of different shops, but I liked what Sticker Bloom did with it. This kit does come with alternative hair color full boxes. I got the add-on icons in pink and silver foil. There is a script full box, the double box scene at the bottom. Again, it is foiled in silver. I will be using the Fashion Girl full box included on this page, as I am blonde. This page is the bow checklists, flags, labels, habit trackers, scripts. The scripts in this kit are multicolor instead of just black. Those are the full box checklists. This is the functional page, the headers and little things page, and the double bottom washi and washi strips and date covers page. Again, everything is foiled in silver. The next order that I got was from Hello Petite Paper. This is the journaling card that came with my order, kind of a Disney theme. This was the freebie that came with my order. It has a habit tracker. That stain that you see did not come on the sheet. It was a water drop that I made. It also came with this other smaller business card with the embossed bow in gold. And then here is my order. I love the little polka dot cello bag that it comes in. I purchased a selection of die cuts, intending to use them for my next set of dashboards that I'm going to be putting together soon. They're all Planner Girl themed. This is a pen. There we go, a little bit zoomed in. More zoomed in for you. A fancy pen. A selection of bows. Washi tape. Polka dotted washi tape. A bow clip. Again in that polka dot print. A little mug, I think. And a planner, again with that polka dot bow on it, so they are all very much coordinated. And give me some good inspiration for my dashboards. The last thing that I picked up was this adapter from Amazon. I am intending to use it to connect my microphone that I'm speaking into now directly to my phone, so that I can do the audio, the voiceover for my hauls and for other videos in real time, rather than having to do these voiceovers separately after I've already filmed. I'm hoping that it will save me some time and make things a little more authentic for you guys. I'm just taking it out of the packaging. Those little booklets that you saw before this were the instructions and the warranty, in case you're interested. This has two sides. The one side there is the side that connects directly into your iPhone, and this other side has a USB adapter that will fit my microphone perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.